Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Discord server. First, open your Discord application and locate the plus icon on the left sidebar. Click it to begin adding a new server. You can then choose from a variety of templates or opt to create your own from scratch. Finally, give your server a memorable name and upload a distinctive icon to represent your community. This sets the foundation for your new online space. Once your server is created, it's time to organize your channels. Create various text channels for different discussion topics, ensuring each has a clear purpose. Don't forget to set up voice channels for members who prefer real-time audio communication. Grouping related channels into categories will help keep your server tidy and make it much easier for members to find what they're looking for. This structure is key for a smooth experience. Next, managing roles and permissions is crucial for a well-run server. Assign different roles to your members, such as moderator or member, to define their access levels. You can then customize specific permissions for each role within individual channels, controlling who can send messages or join voice chats. Remember to grant administrative powers very carefully, only to trusted users, to maintain server security and order. Finally, personalize your server to make it truly unique. Add custom emojis, set up server widgets, and explore other customization options to reflect your community's vibe. Once everything is set, start inviting friends and promoting your server to grow your member base. A vibrant community is built on engagement and good organization. Be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your daily routine. Enjoy building your amazing Discord server.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.